In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile PayPal transactions in Freshbooks. We'll cover all the steps necessary to ensure your bookkeeping entries for PayPal are accurate and up to date in Freshbooks. This is a handy process for maintaining clear and precise financial records, especially for small businesses using Freshbooks as their invoicing and accounting software. Let's begin by connecting your PayPal account with Freshbooks. This step is crucial as it allows Freshbooks to import your PayPal transactions directly. Start by going to the gear icon in your Freshbooks account, which will take you to the settings. From there, locate the section labeled Accept Online Payments. Once you click on this, you'll find the option to Connect with PayPal. Follow the prompts to log into your PayPal account and authorize the connection. This integration streamlines the reconciliation process by preloading your transaction data. Now that your accounts are linked, let's move on to using FreshBooks' bank reconciliation feature. Navigate to the accounting section within FreshBooks and select Bank Reconciliation. Here, choose your connected PayPal account from the drop-down menu. When you've selected it, you'll see a list of transactions that have been imported from PayPal. Take some time to review these imported transactions carefully and compare them with your actual PayPal statement to ensure accuracy. Handling PayPal fees and transfers is a critical part of this reconciliation process, as PayPal's direct integration with FreshBooks doesn't automatically account for transaction fees. You will need to manually enter these as expense transactions in FreshBooks. On the bank reconciliation page, create a new expense entry to account for each PayPal fee, which ensures that you're accurately reflecting your net income. As for transfers, the net deposit from PayPal, which is your gross amount minus any fees, should be recorded as a transfer to your actual bank account. This can be done by marking both the PayPal deposit and the corresponding bank deposit as a transfer on the reconciliation page in FreshBooks. Finally, to complete the reconciliation, ensure all transactions are accurately matched. Your FreshBooks balance for your PayPal account should correspond with your actual PayPal balance. If needed, adjust the opening balance or add or remove transactions to make sure everything lines up correctly. This step confirms that your FreshBooks financial records reflect the true state of your PayPal transactions. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can effectively reconcile your PayPal account in FreshBooks. This process not only helps keep your records accurate, but also ensures that your financial statements reflect your true business performance. Thanks for watching, and happy reconciling.